Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalabo BK Divine, and today I'm going to be showing you the civil engineering roadmap to success. Yes, it's going to be a very interesting and exciting journey, so stay with me. So in this channel, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about JAMB, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English in case you want to study civil engineering as a professional course. You will take these 4 courses in your JAMB. Next, I'll be showing you all the challenges, the pros and the cons, and how to succeed in your UTME based on the school you will choose, also in your JAMB. Then when it comes to undergraduate, I'll be showing you the courses you need to focus on and why you should focus on those courses. For your year 1, the foundation, I'll take you to year 2, that's the engineering principles. Year 3, the course of specialization. Year 4, that's overview, covering all the areas of civil engineering. Then your year 4, you also do your industrial training, and I'll take you to your year 5 project work. I'll also show you what it means to be a master in civil engineering, like what you go through, yes, the courses and how the scheme looks like. Then for practicing engineering, I'll also show you some real world examples, some videos, and I'll also be teaching you. Then I'll show you how to gain all these certificates: current, NSC, HSC 123, PMP, that's the project management professional. Then the NEBOSH, if you want to work in the oil and gas sector. I'll teach you how to get your MSc, and also the Autodesk certificate, that's to be a CAD professional. This is everything you need to know to become a professional, world-class, recognized civil engineer in 2026 and beyond, and earn some good cash for yourself and your family. So if you love what I'm doing, please share this video to other aspiring civil engineers or civil engineering students. Tell them that they should come to this channel and join us on this exciting journey that I'll be taking you on. Believe you, if you won't find this knowledge anywhere, you will not find it in your schools, you will not find it anywhere, because I'll be breaking it down step by step with real world examples. We'll be solving problems together. I'll be teaching you different softwares and every other practical knowledge you need. I'll show you via video evidence, proven how those your favorite structures were built, the ones you've been admiring both in Nigeria and outside the country. Thank you for staying to the end of this teaser video. See you in the next one.